So I got an Xbox here that the rollers are not working. It will not suck the disc all the way in. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix that. I want to show you what it does. Oh. That actually sucked it in. Sounds horrible. It's scratching up my disc. So we've got a disk drive here that does not read discs. It's making a weird noise. When I first tested this off camera, it actually wasn't even sucking in the discs. It would do it like 3/4 of the way and then wouldn't suck it in. So I just assumed the rollers needed cleaned. And I learned the disk drive that spins is making a weird noise. So to take these apart, it's pretty easy. Just take that side paneling off, slide that little thing, and then you've got these clips that when you first try it are pretty difficult to get, but just keep working your way around. You can get all the clips to snap. I think there's 3 or 4 of them. You can get them to unclip. And then once you do that, pull it off very carefully towards the front of the Xbox, because there is a ribbon cable on the front that you need to disconnect. It's a little bit tricky to get these off. I've not seen a video that has shown how to get them off very good, just because they're in such weird spots. But essentially there's a blue tab you need to flip up, and then you can pop out one of the lock-in tabs and then slide it out. Then you got a few wires you need to unplug on the front and the top here, and then you've got 2 screws holding in that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi chip, and then you have 8 T10, I believe is the size, screws that you need to take off of the Xbox to be able to get this top cover off. Once you do that, mind there is a connection, a wired connection to the motherboard that you need to unplug. It just connects into that left corner there. Pretty easy. And then you can unplug the disk drive. It's got 2 cables there to unplug, and then we can get to the disk drive. Pop off this little plastic holder, and then you have 4 screws on the top of this that you can get to. 2 of them are underneath the stripping, I guess, this rubber stripping. Get to that. So there's just 4, and then you can pop off the panel. And once you do that, then you get to the disk drive, and I needed to pop it out of its housing. So you just kind of bend out and press forward with your thumbs. But now I immediately found what the problem was. One of the plastic mechanisms was completely out of place, and just needed to be popped back in because it wasn't in the gears. Like, the gears were not working together. So you can see me pushing it in right there. Once I got it popped in, everything started working flawlessly. So yeah, just as simple as that. Just a piece that was popped out of place. I also cleaned the rollers too, because like I said, they were not sucking in all the way, but that could have been due to the plastic piece being misaligned. So yeah, that was it. I just took it apart, popped it all back together, made sure that all the mechanisms were working, and then that literally was it. It's such an easy fix. The hardest part was taking the console apart. It's not even that bad. So once you get everything put back together, you can put this plastic bracket back on. It sits underneath the disk drive, and then it's got a little plastic tab right there that metal ring sits on. So it's pretty easy. It's got a guide there for you. And then you just got to make sure you line it up with the holes of the motherboard. So that was it though. Like, this was a very straightforward, simple fix that anybody can do. Doesn't take a lot of time. I think I did this in, I don't know, 20 or 30 minutes. And once you get it all taken apart, you can diagnose it, fix it, and put it all back together. And it's very, very straightforward. It's a lot easier, in my opinion, to take these apart, clean and fix them, than it is to take apart the Xbox 360s. Unless you have the Xbox 360 tool. Kind of a pain. But yeah, then we pop it in, and the disc started spinning up. And then you can see here that the disc was reading and instantly started installing. So that was it. I didn't put it all the way back together just in case, just to test, or I didn't put the top cover back on. but it all worked. So that was it. That's how to fix a Xbox One that is making weird noises, slash the rollers aren't sucking in the discs. So that is it right there. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If there's other things that you want to see me fix in the future, let me know as well. I've always got tons of projects and things that I'm constantly buying and working on, so that is where we're at now. So thank you guys for watching. We do appreciate it. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers. We appreciate everybody that's subscribed and support the channel. We're just going to keep going, so thank you.